Hey, and welcome back to An Oil a Day Essentials Wellness with Carmen. I'm really glad to have you here. I'm going to be making a clay mask with apple cider vinegar, bentonite clay, and lavender, melaleuca or tea tree, and frankincense essential oils. It's a lot of fun, it's really easy, and it works amazing. Now, doTERRA does sell a fantastic clay mask right here, but as you can see, I have used it up. So until I'm able to order one in my next order and it comes in, I want to use the clay mask, so I'm going to be making one. So I always have a choice. I'm going to show you how easy it is. The first thing we're going to do is use 2 tablespoons of this bentonite clay. This is mined from Death Valley, California. So I'm in California, locally sourced. It's all good. The next item, apple cider vinegar. We love how it's a cleansing agent. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, put it here in a little glass jar. You don't want to use metal because it will react with metal. You don't want to use metal for the bowl or the stirring stick. I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Kind of fizzes up a little bit. I'm going to take a plastic spoon and just stir it around. Kind of a nice paste in there, still some bubbles. I'm going to add 1 drop each of lavender, 1 drop of tea tree, and of course the true millennial oil, frankincense. All of these are beautiful cleansing agents for our skin. They'll help draw out impurities. So I'm going to use, this is a mask brush. It's a silicone tip. I want to shout out to Mary Kay Products. They created this wonderful mask applicator. So I'm gonna move my hair out of my way, put this on. Ugh, my best look. So here we go. You can put 1/4 to 1/2 inch of the mask on your skin. You're going to apply it to your clean, dry skin. Leave it on if you have delicate skin. You want to leave it on 5 to 10 minutes. Start with 5 if it's your first time using mask, and then take it off. And then go from there. If you have more normal skin, you can go 15 to 20 minutes. This mask will tighten. It dries and tightens as it draws out the impurity. But I always recommend starting with the lower number of leaving it on until you get to know what your reaction is. So I'm just laying this on here. It feels really good. Nice and cool, feels soft. I want to make sure I get it all the way down to the edges. So now we're going to wait 15 minutes and then I will come to the sink and you can see how easy it is to take it off. Welcome back. It's been about 15 minutes and I feel it really tight around my mouth where it's a little bit thinner. Still soft in the top layers because I had it thicker around my forehead. The other thing with masks that is pretty amazing is you can use them on your hands. Here we go. So I'm using warm water on my towel and I am gently gonna start wiping this off. And if I get closer and get down through the layers, then I can start doing some exfoliation. Welcome back. You can see how easy it is to take off the face mask, and I have to say my skin feels absolutely amazing. So I'm all ready for a quick toner and my moisturizer and ready to go. Love the skin you're in. Take care of it with your own clay mask. The link to it so you can do the recipe is in the description box. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any episode. Thanks for watching. See you next time. You just welcome back. I'm action. But perhaps you're better. Start over.